All right, let's go to number 9. Number 9, several companies get together to compare weld procedures and find the essential variables are the same. They send the procedure to a testing facility to qualify welders off-site. Is the welder qualified to weld without any further testing? Exactly, no. That's QG 101 and QG 106. So why? Why aren't the welders qualified? There you go. Yeah. So this would be QG 101, QG 106. All right, number 10. What year was Section 9 established as a standalone code part? 1962.
Yeah, that was easy to find. You just had to run through all the numbers. 1962 was the only year that came up with any option.
Yeah, I think it's only in one spot in the whole book.
Yeah, it's only one spot.
Yeah, so. Yeah, number 10 is C, 1962, QG 108.
So, question, Mike, I use the day.
Like on what year was this established?
Yeah, established.
Yeah, you could use established. That'd be a word that's probably not in here a whole bunch. And also on a question like this, I'm going to think that this is probably in the beginning of the book somewhere, right? I don't expect to find what year this was established in, deep into some NDE reference or something like that, right? I have to think that a question like this is going to be somewhere in the front of the book. All right, number 11. A welder who certifies on pipe in the 6G position is certified for? Yeah. Everybody got D? Yeah. All right, so on 11, we're going to look at QW 461.9. You're going to find that you come to some of these same tables over and over again. So 461.9, a welder certifies on pipe in the 6G position. All right, so we're going to go down that left side, go down to pipe. We know this is going to be a groove weld. So they qualified the groove weld in a 6G. So we look across there and we see all, right? So we got all plate and pipe over 24 inches, all pipe less than or equal to 24 inches, and all plate and pipe fillet welds. So we have all positions of plate, pipe, and fillet welds. So number 11 is D. Number 12. Yep, number 12 is C. A WPS qualified with impacts, notch toughness tests on a 1.5 inch thick coupon. What is the minimum thickness base metal this WPS may be used on with impacts? So we got QW 403.6.
So the minimum was only a quarter of an inch, the answer would be a quarter of an inch. Right?
Let me look this up. QW 403. Yep, 403.6, the minimum base metal thickness qualified is the thickness of the test coupon or 5/8 of an inch, whichever is less. However, where T is less than a quarter of an inch, the minimum thickness is half T. This variable does not apply when a WPS is qualified with post-weld heat treat above the upper transformation temperature or when austenitic or P number 10H material is solution annealed after welding. So it's saying the minimum base thickness qualified is the thickness of the test coupon or 5/8. So what'd you just ask if it was a quarter?
And then it would be a quarter.
Yeah, so if it was a quarter, we would go into
Because it's
the
not
next one. So if T is less than a quarter, so it'd have to be less than a quarter. So let's say 3/16 of an inch.
But with it, if it was a quarter, then the minimum would be a quarter, right?
If you're up on, if we go with that first line and it was a quarter, if it was a quarter of an inch, then it's going to be the thickness or 5/8 of an inch, right? Whichever is less, right? So yeah, so if you're at a quarter of an inch thickness, then we're going to be whichever's less would be a quarter of an inch, right?
3/16.
Yep.
Minimum would be half of 3/16.
Yep, 332. 332. Yep. All right, let me stop that.